Hi guys, welcome to my channel and I hope you're doing fantastic today because I'm about to share with you how to make this draped bustier without using a mannequin. Yes guys, it's very easy if you follow this tutorial step by step till the end. Before we waste any time, let's get to it. So of course you're going to need your front basic block pattern, and I'm going to mark or create a dot around the shoulder, which you need to find the midpoint on your shoulder. Then you're going to extend the line all the way to the bust point. So the next thing is I'm going to create the neckline for the front. So on the bust point line, I'm going to go up by 1 inch. And then around the armhole, so I'm going to go down by 1/2 of an inch. Then I'm going to trace out a sweetheart neckline, joining the 2 points from the armhole all the way to the bust point line. So once I am done creating that sweetheart shape, I'm going to create a dot. From one side it's going to be 1 inch and another side is going to be 1 inch. Then I'm going to connect the 2 points to form a dot. So the next thing for us guys is to close the dot on the other side. Once I am done, I am going to create a line, a straight line. From the side, I'm going to mark 2 inches right on the side, going to mark 2 inches, and then I'm going to create a straight line, joining it to the neckline of our bustier. And then we go ahead and cut out our pattern, and this is how it looks so far. So the next thing that we need to do, of course guys, is to mark. I'm going to mark 1 inch, and this 1 inch is going to be where I'm going to cut. So I'm going to create 1 inch line, which is going to be joined or connected to the apex area. And then next to it, I'm going to create another 1/2 an inch line. So the first line is 1 inch and then the other one is 1/2 an inch. So next to it, I'm going to create 1/2 an inch line. So I'm also going to create another line next to that one, which is going to be 1/2 of an inch. So once we are done cutting out the lines, we need to go ahead and close the bottom dot. And then we're going to also open and close the top dot. So now I'm closing the bottom dot, and then we open the top one, then we close it. So on a new pattern paper, I'm going to place it right under my bustier pattern that we've already slashed, and then you make sure that you spread out the legs. Then you're going to close them just to create that nice pleat or a dot. Once we're done doing so, you want to go ahead and cut out the excess paper. So guys, this is how our pattern turns out. So the next thing that we need to do is to draft the back. So of course you will need the back pattern, and on the chest line, yes I know the back doesn't have the chest line, but it's just for reference. So on the zipper line, you want to go down by 1.5 inch, depends how low you want it to be. Then you're going to create or connect that point all the way to the chest line. Then once you're done, I'm just going to go ahead and fix the dot. And then we're going ahead to go ahead and cut out the pieces. Now you want to make sure that you label your piece so that it will be easy for you when you do cut on fabric. But as for me, I'm not going to separate these pieces. I'm just going to close the dart and it forms one piece for the back. And we are done, guys, drafting this pattern. I love the fact that if you don't have a mannequin to drape the pleats or anything like that, you can use this method. It's very easy. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this project as much as I did. As for me, see you on the next one.